Ubumnandi abupheli, guys. Ubumnandi abupheli. It's just so beautiful, guys. The mountains behind me are so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but I mean, like, guys, it's in one. I mean, guys, it's in purple. It's a crazy thing. It's Sunday Pumagu Upa Manje. Oh my gosh, it literally dropped us off like a bit back. Yeah, literally a bit back because my traffic cop like right there. I literally don't want to show about it, but if I'd say I don't want to get in trouble with these cops. But the beach is looking cute.
It's always like that.
God, they are showing the beach is looking cute.
It is cute. But I don't know if it's hot or it's not hot. What's happening?
I don't know, nothing. It's just... I really don't know what's going on either, but...
Parking here or parking down the road? No parking here. No.
Oh my gosh. Yo, sana. My traffic cop was funny. Woo! Anyways.
This is my decision.
Hi guys.
This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen.
Clifton is actually so magical. Can you just, yeah. Like, this place is just honestly magical. I don't even think it's part of Africa, is it? Just joking, guys. Africa is so beautiful. It is beyond beautiful. There's so many places that we haven't even gone to, explored, touched, seen, and they're beautiful places. I know that my family could never. Like, guys, the fact that these are like literally people's houses. These are people's houses, and you basically have like kind of like strangers going past every day. I mean, but it's cute actually. I'm not gonna lie.
Give me something I'm not. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you.
Guys, this one is.
I love watermelon, guys.
I'll put on your words when
It's the watermelon. Yo, show me watermelon. Who allowed the music, la?
I think so.
That's how we allowed. Why is no one playing it?
And no one is playing it.
Yeah, I think so.
Because it's we are racist.
But if we played like small, like
Yeah, because I do have a speaker on the party.
That's fine what you want. Back niggas 500. You can also find quite a bit of find for jaywalking.
What's jaywalking?
Jaywalking is when you just cross the road without using the pedestrian crossing.
So it applies here?
Yes, that's why their robots, they have those things that you need to press so that that's fine.
Wow. It's crazy.
True.
I thought that was in thingy overseas.
You know what I need?
Next time I come here, I must have a bikini. I must have a full set bikini. I'm just joking, guys. One thing about me is I'll never have a bikini. I'll never have those. Most I can do, okay, fine, I'll get a bikini. Yeah, I'll get a bikini, but then I have like a skirt underneath me. I mean, on top. Because, yeah, sometimes my body just does too much. So, yeah. Bro, there's so many places here. It's kind of wild. Like comparing it to Durban, you would never see like cops at the beach and just, you know, patrolling around the beach as much. Well, from my liking, when I've been there in Durban, there's never been a moment where I've seen cops patrolling around, you know, the beach and everything. But yeah, every single, maybe every 5 minutes, you will come across a cop, you will see a cop. Yeah, guys, like, people are beautiful. Like, they're out here looking beautiful, and I'm out here with a camera stick playing with my hair. Y'all are my comfort, guys, because, you know, I can just talk, I can just rant, I can just, you know, guys, but I love y'all. I love y'all so much. But I'm gonna go to the water, just feel the water, and then come back later on. Yeah.
Me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only make me your matter, make me your matter, make me your matter. Show me your substance, make me a process, make me a process. Give me one red line to stand, bet to believe, bet to receive you. Give me something I'm not, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you.